What's up guys, Viper FPV, and today we have our June 2019 drone drop. And I'm really kind of excited to see exactly what's going to be in it, because they were kind of hyping it up because they were like, we're sorry for all the mess ups they made in the past couple months, so they wanted to make it up in this box. So let's go ahead and see if we got anything special or anything good. So let's go ahead, and no, that is not my address. That is Drone Drop's address, if you've seen it. So, all is good. So, looks like right off the bat we got some stickers. Nice little Team Black Sheep stickers here. Like them. Looks like we got some of the new, these are the new 5043 Pro Cyclones. I actually do enjoy, I like using Cyclone props. I still have quite a few of them, and I still use them. So, I'm definitely excited to try these things out. Nice color blue. We got 3 sets of those. And then looks like we got some battery anti-slip pads, which were they just like little pads that? Oh yeah, you can definitely use these ones. These are nice. They're jelly. They're not like grip. They're sticky, but they're nice. Looks like we got a. Is that a right or a left? I guess that's a left-hand antenna. TBS Triumph antenna. Nice. Looks like we got a camera here. It is going to be... What kind of camera is this? Foxeer Predator V4 Micro. Man, I just bought I think a Mini. I just literally just got this yesterday. Like the Mini yesterday. Oh well, I can always use more cameras, so I'm not complaining. Looks like we got ourselves an Ethics beanie. Right now it's about 95 degrees outside, but this will come in handy in the wintertime. I'll definitely wear it. Seems kind of big for my head though, but we'll see how it fits in the winter. And then we got another, so there's 2 boosts this month? I guess so, because look, it's a TBS Unify Pro Nano. Wow, they actually did send like 2 boosts. I mean, this thing is I think like 30 bucks maybe. This thing is like 36. They can go range from 35 to 40 bucks. This thing, I guess it's like 10 bucks, maybe even more. And then the props, 12 bucks. Not a bad deal this month. It's over, what, $80, $90 of value for drone drop in the June. So I'm actually kind of really happy with this one. So let me know what you thought about the June 2019 drone drop. Leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.